Hi friends, I have to share with you the troubleshooting for today. It's all about the conventional fire alarm system, which is giving a false alarm. And we will try to find out where the specific location of the sensor which is having a false alarm. Here is our fire alarm system panel, and as we can see, only the zones are displayed in here. Now as we can see, the alarm is coming from zone 10. While the fire alarm is active, you have to check all the sensors in zone 10. So you have to check what sensor is in lit condition, and if you can find it, 100% the sensor in lit condition is the faulty sensor.